we just kind of, sit nervously and wait for something from the company, right? There is no grace period for this particular bond.
Right. That's correct. Like the previous $2 coupons that were due in the last couple of weeks that had a 30-day grace period, this particular $260 million bond that is issued by a joint venture whose main owner is Hengda Real Estate, which is the main Evergrande domestic real estate unit in China. It's these opaque cross guarantees that perhaps are starting to bubble up and show some of the biggest systemic risks that perhaps the market wasn't aware of. We do know the bond payment schedule for Evergrande's bonds, but these cross guarantees is what's quite tricky. And this maturity was yesterday, as you rightfully said, which effectively makes the due date today because Sunday is a market holiday. They might get about 5 days grace period if there's considered to be a technical or clerical error. But essentially, today is the due date, and it can be then classified as a default. The big question then is, what would creditors, offshore creditors, be able to do? Will they go offshore and file legal actions? They can't do that unless it is officially declared a default. But again, it is also showing over the last couple of days how authorities are urging banks to, extend credit and support to healthy developers, not necessarily these heavily indebted ones. They are ring fencing, not necessarily saving Evergrande, but it is a slow train wreck, as I've said before, to see how this might play out. And today might be that official D word, default, on this jumbo fortune enterprise issued note that is matured yesterday.